business. Y'all need a good cameraman. Make sure y'all hire this man right here.
You have my man over here. You hear it from the best. And then we go to the bottom of the first. Bottom of the first. Ay, there peoples.
Here we go.
Bottom of the first. Ball is the lead of hitter for the Rebels. And we're down 6 runs to nothing to the moment. Wow, what a line drives in the middle. Splits the fielders. And that ball is running all over. Nice slide for Paul. Taking advantage of the throw. And he's on second. Simple as that. We got Ian now. No outs for the Rebels. They need to fight it all the way. Because there is no tomorrow. We are down 1 game out of the playoffs. It's the best of 3. Whoever wins 2 games is a champion. So we must win this game. Otherwise, we go home early.
Whoa, that's too much of an arc.
Too much of an arc. It was an archer macho. Nice piece of hitting, but that is the best right there. Wow, wide open the throw. Ian goes to second. Ian, make it, Ian. Make it, Ian. Ian was juggling to second. The ball was live over there, if there was a throw or whatever. He was sacrificing himself just for the run to score, which couldn't score anyways. We got Priest. Priest finds Ian in scoring position. It's the second base who just went out. And no outs, excuse me, no outs. Sorry, it's no outs. She taps it for that's the first out of the second game. 6-1 so far.
My time, step out. Got you. Let me know when you're ready. Here we go. 21.
2 balls, 1 strike for Doobie. Doobie swings, hits it all the way. Melvin catches it. What a ride he gave it, but there is one of the best fielders, and that's Melvin. Melvin tracked it. He was tracking it all the way and made a good catch. What a catch. Damn, dude. That was a ride, bro. Couldn't hit it better than that. No, sir. Can do. Melvin put his glove all the way to the sky and the ball was there. Magician Melvin. 2 outs.
Ollie's tired. Get going. He's in the same spot.
We got Mike hitting now. He's not gonna make the same mistake. No, sir. No can do. Line drive to the gate. The fences couldn't hold it either. This kid is a pitcher murderer. He kills it. Nice piece of hitting. And just like that, we're fighting for our lives. 6 for the Bolts, 2 for the Rebels this time. Coming out the bat is Ali. What's happening over there? Like everybody's tired. Yeah, I don't know what I want to do. Everybody's getting set.
2 dead, 1 and 1.
2 down. She swings to the first one. The ball could be dropping, but there is John. The shortstop tracks it and catches it for the 3rd out. 2-run score. And just like that, 6-2 is the score. 6 runs for the Bolts and 2 runs for the Rebels. We're going to the top of the 2nd inning. Top of the 2nd. Bolts coming to hit again.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It's in his person. No, I had to make sure.
Thank you.